you guys, so good afternoon. The kids are in full swing back in school and they're about to get home any minute, and I have a special surprise for them, so stay tuned. Hello.
Hi.
How was school?
Good. It was awesome.
You guys have homework?
No.
No homework?
No.
Yeah, right. We always have homework. Reading. Okay, put your backpacks away, wash your hands, and I got a special surprise for you guys.
What? Another one?
What is it? Variety Fun. If you don't know what Variety Fun is, these kids sure do. What is it, guys?
Snacks.
A bunch of snacks. It comes in this super cute box. We actually don't know what snacks are inside. Which snacks are you guys hoping for this time?
Cookies. Cookie Thins.
Cookie Thins.
Cookie Thins. Pirate Booty. Some chips.
Should we open it up and see what we got?
This is the Fun Snack Box. There are two options. They have the Fun Snack Box and they also have the Fit Snack Box.
So we got the Fun Box. Last time we got the Fit Box. Honestly, they both are great. Both have great options. These are great after school snacks. We're going on a road trip this weekend. We could take some with us. Great for school lunches, all the things. So let's see what we got here. All right, first up is chips. So tomorrow you guys are gotta pack your lunch. Callie, which chip do you want for tomorrow's sack lunch? Doritos. All right, Ty, which chip are you gonna choose for your lunch tomorrow?
Pop chips, potato chip, barbecue flavor.
Great. All right, Liv, which chip do you wanna choose for tomorrow's lunch? Cheese doodles. It looks like we have granola bars, some peanuts, some fruit snacks. Great after school snacks, huh guys?
Yeah.
And then we got tons of crackers, another great snack. We've got Cheez-Its, Goldfish, popcorn butter. We got a pile of yummy treats, which we'll save for later. So which snack do you guys want to have right now?
Cookie Thins.
Okay, open them on up. Enjoy those Variety Fun snacks.
Can I get my snack on too?
Ooh, get your snack on. What do you got, Hallie? Ooh, I like those. Rainbow Chips Deluxe. Do you have a fruit snack?
I don't.
Let's open this up for you. A Mott's fruit snack.
Chocolate chip cookie thins.
Chocolate chip cookie thins. Oh my goodness, these snacks are gonna last us more than a week.
What's cool about this is I haven't seen some of these brands for many years, probably since I was a teenager or even before that. Things like hot fries. I haven't had these grandma's oatmeal raisin cookies in forever.
What snack is mom gonna pick? I'm gonna go for a good old fashioned Rice Krispie treat. How are the snacks, guys?
Good.
Some of the yummy treats, we've got cookies, Airheads, Oreos, Rice Krispie treats, all the things. So many snacks to choose from.
So everyone can get their own box every month or every 2 weeks. Just go visit the website, varietyfun.com, enter our promo code LifeAsWeGoMez20 and you'll get 20% off your first order.
What's your guys' favorite thing about Variety Fun?
There's so many snacks. And treats. And chips.
And chips. The key is variety, guys. We all like variety here.
Did you know that Variety Fun has over 500 snacks? And free shipping!
Variety Fund donates thousands of snacks to families in need every month.
As you can see, our kids sure do love Variety Fun. It's a great after-school snack. You can take it on road trips, school lunches.
It can be used for any occasion. So don't forget, head over to varietyfun.com, put your code in, make sure you get some delivered to your house every month or every 2 weeks.
Comes right to your doorstep. Can't get easier than that. As always, don't forget to subscribe, give us a thumbs up, and comment below. We'll see you guys next time.